Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
I want to grab this opportunity to say thank you for these people who supported my channel, and I want you to know, guys, that you are one of the reasons why I love making these videos.
Feel the waves cut through.
Shout out to Ariel Thumbs and Gerald Stacy for being my first commenters in my latest videos.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
So here I'm showing you guys that I have hooded eyelids, and if you don't know what hooded eyelids mean, it basically means that there's an extra layer of skin that droops over the crease, causing the lid to appear smaller. So what I'm gonna do is put the pigment just above my original crease.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
There you have it, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified in my next video. Bye!